besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color, and today I'm coming at you guys with a dupe. I am going to be showing you guys my spin on the Dior Icy Blue Lip Plumping Lip Gloss, and you guys are in for a treat. I decided to name mine Como. Stay tuned, you guys. I can't wait to share.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Alright, you guys, so I was scrolling TikTok one day and I came across this beautiful icy blue lip plumping lip gloss courtesy of Dior, and I just had to make it. So here we are, you guys. This is my version of the Dior Icy Blue Lip Plumping Lip Gloss, and I decided to name mine Como. And first things first, you guys, for the full recipe to this video, head over to my Patreon for exclusives, for membership discounts, for archive recipes, for my future recipes, and also for the LC that I'm getting ready to use for this lip gloss. I'll show you guys how to make your own liquid. Current patrons, I love you guys so much, and welcome to my new patrons, and I would love to have you guys there. So first things first, Versagel to the bowl. You know, when we're making lip gloss, we need our Versagel, and then I'm going in with some hydrogenated Polyisobutene, because you know Versagel can be very, very, very thick to work with. So we're going to take away some of that thickness and that stickiness, and we're just correcting the texture. You can also use grapeseed oil or any oil of your choice that is fluid to get things moving, but it will not be clear like it is now. So I'm just, you know, just throwing that out there, but it doesn't really matter because this gloss is going to be baby blue anyway. So here I am going in with that pretty icy blue LC. Me and my patrons, we made this color earlier this week, and now this is the gloss video showcasing the color and just putting this whole beautiful creation together. And I'm just mixing that in really, really well. And now it is time for the lip plumping oil. So we also made this on Patreon a couple of weeks back. So here I am just adding in some lip plumping oil so that once I place it on my lips, it can give me that nice, refreshing, cooling effect. And a little goes a very long way. And it is also available on my website. If you're not interested in making it and you kind of just want to have it already, I do now sell the lip plumping oil for you guys. So here I am just mixing everything in really, really good. And as you can see, the lip gloss is still pretty thick. So I'm going to go in, of course, with some more hydrogenated polyisobutene, as well as some preservative cap 2. A little of the preservative cap 2 goes a long way, but I will have all of the measurements listed on my Patreon as mentioned before. And here I am just mixing everything, and I'm happy with the texture, so I'm going to prepare to bottle my product up. Okay, you guys, here I am just trying on our product, and it feels so amazing. Instantly, I feel that lip plumping, effect. It feels really, really nice. It has like a nice glide, and here I am just building the product with a applicator. I did go in and do 3 coats because I wanted to see how pigmented it was. I didn't want to just go straight in applying it, so I did 3 coats, and I do have a liner on, and I absolutely love the way that this turned out. As always, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and allowing me to share my gift with you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you. Bye.